Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I made a new house, as you can see. I didn't do the roof and everything yet. But that's okay, because in the next episodes we will be doing all of that. Anywho, today we will be learning how to make a washing machine, I believe. So the items you will be needing is not some, but only one. You'll need one hopper, one dropper. I believe we will need 25 redstone pieces. Redstone. We will be needing a lever. I think we will be needing a button. Redstone lamp, and that's it. Oh no, sorry guys. You also need some water and any color. For example, diamond just like. So then what you need to do is really easy. So just basically make a small tunnel leading to this small place. So just make small tiny place, just like this. So this will be what will be under the washing area, because there's always something under it or behind it, so then grab yourself a cauldron and then put them just like that. Okay, then put water on all of them, just like that. Okay, and then you need to just make a tiny area, maybe right over here, I believe. Just grab some jungle wood planks and just remove these dirt blocks, and in return just put some jungle planks. Is it? Yeah. Then you'll be needing a ladder, just so you can go actually in the small room. And there. So we are done the under. That's not the main point. I kind of made a mistake, guys, but it's okay. Okay, so the main point actually is to... Oh, I forgot something. So a small tiny line with the redstone like that. Turn this and turn it on. There, and then you see, kind of looks like a small red lane. And then grab yourself not torches but redstone torches right here, like that, I believe, and just put it all around the place, just like that. And oh, sorry guys, just remove this, and this. Oh, also this. Yeah, guys. So now we will be making the main chorus of the how do you say it? Oh yeah, the washing machine. I've almost forgot. And it should connect like this. That. See? Then it should make sound. Same thing on top. Not sure why I did it did that, but keep on doing it till we reach here. Then just put it normally like that, and then just put a hopper on top of this like that. We are almost done, guys. So then in this hopper put water, then grab your myself more water. Then put it. Why is it not dropping? Guys, wait a minute. Let me see. Was it a dispenser or a dropper? I think it was a dispenser. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Holy moly. I made another mistake. Oh, I'm correct. It's just that you can't make it straight. You have to actually, like, make it facing this way. What? So just stand, go on top of the small shelf, cutting board, then hopper, then put the water. No, guys, it's not going down. Wait a minute. Was I not supposed to, like, put the... I was wrong, guys. So sorry. My bad. I have to do it again. Sorry, guys, for any inconvenience I'm causing. Yep. Sorry, guys. It's the other way around. Well, everyone makes mistakes in this world, now do they? I feel like that's a yes. Okay, I'm not really sure if this will work, but probably it should. Put the hopper here and put water in here. I think I know why. Sorry, guys, but they're too much, these things. So what you're gonna have to do is make it under here. It's only 1 block tall. Seriously. Honestly. Oh man. There. There. No, guys, so what we're gonna do, it's simple. We're gonna water. So this is just okay. Don't need to put any underground things in here. But here, we will, let me just fix this, guys. Right. Do I see water? What on earth is that? Guys, like and subscribe now, or else my home will die. Never mind. It's one tiny mistake. Doesn't look correct. There, guys. So then, put the dropper, put the hopper, dropper, and then, I never thought of this. So just put water in here. No, 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 no. Huh. just like putting 2 more passes. Oh, water. Yes. And there, guys. There you have it. So then I do put the chest plate and it'll stay and it'll start being clean. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.